Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Story. Like and subscribe. I'm really happy you're here today. In this video, we have a fun and surprising story that will help you practice your English. If you want to improve your listening, you're in the right place. And if you also want to speak better, you can try something called shadowing. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing means you repeat after me. You listen to my voice, and then you say the same sentence. It's like you are my shadow. You follow my voice step by step. In this video, I will speak slowly and clearly. After each sentence, I will pause so you can repeat it. You can also pause the video anytime to take your time. Try to copy my pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This will help you sound more natural when you speak English. You will also see all the text on the screen, so you can read, listen, and speak all at the same time. That way, you can understand the story more easily and also learn new words. The goal of this video is to help you practice listening. And if you want, you can also practice shadowing. You can repeat along with me, sentence by sentence. Just pause the video after each sentence and speak out loud. Don't be shy. Now, let me tell you a little bit about today's story. It's about a girl named Elena. Elena works in an office. She's smart and responsible. But one morning, she hears something that changes everything. But is it all just a big misunderstanding? Let's find out together. Get ready, and remember to repeat after me if you want to practice shadowing. Let's begin the story. It's Monday morning. I come to work like always. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I feel a little tired, but everything is normal. I go to the break room to make some coffee. I really need it today. I take my cup and walk back to my desk. I sit down and take a sip. Ah, finally. Then I hear something. It's my boss. He is talking to someone. I can hear his voice. He says something. I listen more carefully. He says, "She's fired up." Wait, what did he say? She's fired. My heart stops. Is he talking about me? Why is he saying that? Did I do something wrong? Did I make a mistake on the report? Did I forget to send the files? I open my email again. I look at the last message I sent. Everything looks fine. I check my calendar. I don't see anything strange. But maybe he's not happy with me. Last week I sent the wrong invoice. I fixed it later. But maybe that was a big problem. No, maybe it's something else. I remember I was late one day last month. Is he still thinking about that? I think about all the small things, every little mistake, every little comment. Maybe I said something wrong. Maybe I didn't answer fast enough. I hear my boss again. He laughs. He says, "She's totally fired up today." Now I feel even worse. Totally fired up. What does that mean? Is he angry? Is he very angry? I take a deep breath. This is it, I say to myself. He's going to fire me. Today is the day. I start to think about what I will do. Should I start looking for a new job? Should I tell my parents? Should I say goodbye to my coworkers? Then I hear footsteps. He is coming this way. Oh no. Is this really happening? Is he going to fire me right now? He's getting closer. I can hear his voice. He's still talking. I hear my name again. Elena did a great job, he says. Wait, what? A great job. Now I'm confused. Why is he saying I did a great job if he's going to fire me? Maybe he feels bad. Maybe he wants to say something nice before he fires me. Some bosses do that, right? Maybe he wants to say, thank you for your hard work, but we don't need you anymore. Or maybe someone else is getting fired. No, he said, she's fired up. He said, Elena. That's me. Why would he say I'm fired up? Does that mean I'm too much? Too loud? Too excited? Maybe fired up means angry. But I'm not angry. Or maybe it's a secret code, a secret word they use when they are planning to fire someone. Yes, that must be it. Maybe the company doesn't want problems. Maybe they use the phrase fired up instead of fired so no one gets scared. Maybe HR is watching. Maybe they are recording the office. I look at the door. Should I leave now? No, I need to be strong. I need to wait. If he says it again, then I'll know for sure. He stops near my desk. I hear him laugh again. He says, she's on fire today. Amazing work. Wait, on fire? What does that mean? First fired up, now on fire. Why is he talking about fire so much? Is this really about me, or is this something else? I want to ask. I want to say, Sir, am I fired? But I don't speak. I wait. He walks past me and goes into his office. No words, no look, nothing. What does that mean? Why is he saying all those things and then just walks away? Something is not right. I feel nervous. I feel lost. I open Google. I type, what does fired up mean in English? And then I see the result. My eyes get big. Wait, what? I read the first result. Fired up, feeling excited, full of energy, very motivated. What? Wait, so fired up does not mean fired? It means excited. It means something good. I scroll down. Example. She's really fired up about her new project. So my boss was not angry. He was happy. He was saying, I'm doing a great job. I feel strange now. I remember everything he said. She's fired up. She's on fire. Amazing work. All of that was positive. Oh no, I almost cried. I almost packed my things. I almost told my mom I lost my job. But actually, my boss is proud of me. He's happy with my work. That's crazy. How can one phrase change everything? I feel so embarrassed. All this time, I thought he wanted to fire me. But really, he's impressed. He likes what I'm doing. He's telling everyone. Now I think about it again. He said on fire, too. I checked that online. On fire, doing very well, performing at a high level. Wow. So both fired up and on fire are good phrases, not bad. And I thought it was the end of my job. I sit back, I breathe, I laugh. This is why learning English is important. One small word can change your whole day. I didn't lose my job. I almost lost my mind. Sometimes learning English feels confusing. One small word can change everything. In this story, I hear the phrase fired up, and I think I am fired. but really, it means something good. This is why learning English is not just about vocabulary. It's about understanding how people speak in real life. Native speakers use many phrases that don't make sense at first. Phrases like, she's on fire, he's killing it, she crushed it. They're fired up. All of them sound strange, but they mean something positive. If we don't know the meaning, we can feel scared or embarrassed, just like me in the story. And that's okay. Making mistakes is part of learning. Feeling confused is part of growing. And asking questions is how we learn faster. So next time you hear a new phrase, don't panic. Look it up. Ask someone. Or come back to this channel and learn with me. The more stories you hear, the more phrases you learn. The more you practice, the more confident you become. So keep going. Even when it feels hard, even when it feels strange, you are learning something powerful. English is not just grammar and words. It's connection, it's understanding, it's confidence. And little by little, you are getting better, just by watching, listening, and repeating. Let's keep practicing together. One story at a time. Language takeaway. Now let's look at some useful phrases from Elena's story. These are great for real conversations and also fun to practice with shadowing. 1. Take a sip. This means drink a small amount. Repeat after me. I take a sip of my coffee. He takes a sip and smiles. 2. She's fired up. This means she is excited, full of energy. Repeat after me. She's fired up about the project. Wow, she's really fired up today. 3. She's fired. This means she lost her job. Very different from fired up. Repeat after me. She's fired. She's leaving today. They said he's fired for being late. 4. She's on fire today. This means she is doing very well today. Repeat after me. She's on fire. Look at her work. He's on fire today. So fast. 5. He's getting closer. This means he is moving nearer. Repeat after me. Oh no, he's getting closer. He's getting closer to my desk. 6. He's killing it. This means he is doing an amazing job. Repeat after me. Look at him. He's killing it. Wow, she's killing it with that report. 7. She crushed it. This means she did something extremely well. Repeat after me. She crushed it in the meeting. That presentation, she crushed it. Practice time, repeat after me. Say these out loud with me. Take a sip. She's fired up. She's fired. She's on fire today. He's getting closer. He's killing it. She crushed it. Repeat them 2 or 3 times for better pronunciation and confidence. You're doing amazing, guys. And remember, practice makes progress. Great job today. These phrases are super useful, not just at work, but in many real conversations. Now you know the difference between fired and fired up. That's a big win. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed Elena's story and learned something new today. Remember, you can watch this video again and again to practice your shadowing. Repeating the story will help you improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence in English. If this video helped you, please give it a like and share it with a friend who's also learning. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy English stories. And before we go, just remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about trying, learning from mistakes, and growing every day, just like Elena. See you in the next video. Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Story.